Welcome to New Image Digital. We introduce our AA battery-operated portable digital TV. For more information and to purchase your own, please visit www.newimagedigital.com. This will be an instructional video on putting together your TV stand that comes provided standard with all of our 7-inch portable digital TVs. First, take part 1 and completely unscrew the knob. Once unattached, remove the side panel from the other part. You will see there is a groove at the bottom of this part. This is meant to hook onto the top of part 2 or the bottom of your stand. Simply connect these parts and push together. Once completed, retrieve your knob and screw back on as a turn knob. This will now be used as you loosen it to adjust the angle of your stand. To tighten, simply twist to the right. This front metal piece is used to slide the TV onto. The back of your New Image Digital TV is equipped with a slot for your stand. Simply turn the TV around and slide onto the slot. As shown, tighten the knob to ensure that your TV stands at the correct height that you would like. Once tightened, turn around and ensure that it is at the correct angle. Once at the correct angle for your viewing pleasure, you have completed putting together your stand. Your stand is also available to be mounted onto any surface, or with the sticky provided, you may stick it to any surface that works best for you. We hope this instructional video helps, and we look forward to serving your digital needs. Please visit our website at www.newimagedigital.com.